So you just finished watching your favorite Ghostface movie, Scream movie, or whatever you want to call it, and you decide to go check out your local Square Halloween since they're open. They're just about to close for Halloween. So you walk into your local Square Halloween, and you're immediately met with a ton of Ghostface stuff, to masks, to the kits, to the knives, to the costumes, and to the animatronics. You walk to the back of the store and you see two animatronics left on the floor, and they are both Ghostface animatronics, except that they're both different. And so you think to yourself, do I want the animated version of Ghostface, or do I want the static version of Ghostface? Do I want to spend $279.99 on a animated Ghostface, or do I want to spend $129.99 on a static Ghostface? So you don't want to spend that much money, so you pick up the static Ghostface and you bring him along with you, and you wonder if he's actually worth the price of $130. And that's what we're gonna find out today. Static Ghostface. This is one of two animatronics that Spirit Halloween released from Scream for 2024. There's an animated version and there's a static version. The animated version is priced at $279.99, and the static version, which I got, was priced at $129.99. Stands 6 feet at the tallest point. The other side is the same thing, and you can scan right there if you want to see the demo video, or it will lead you right to the site. So then you don't have to buy animatronic, and if it's not set up, you can look at the video and see what it does. Here's the back of the box. You guys can see, priced at $129.99. This guy uses a 592 amp volt adapter. He can use a step pad, he can use a try me button, and he has IR sensor, he has a speaker port, he has volume control, all that stuff. Here's the other side of the box, so you get to see his face light up. I don't think his face lights up that much. The box does seem like his whole face lights up, and here is the top of the box. So first, you're just going to put down this part. This is going to be the middle of the base. And so now you're going to take your feet, the feet of the base, and you're just going to slide them in and like that. This is his base. This is going to keep him up. I think he comes with sandbags. I'm just not sure right now. So now you're going to take your pole C, and you are going to make sure it's on the side without any snap blocks or anything, and you are going to put it in the base right there. So now you're going to take your D-pole. Your D-pole is going to have a hip lip right here. You put it in like that. Mine's is from Mr. Punchy. Let me move this down. There's going to be prawn holes right here, and so you just put that in. So the next part is you're going to take your control box, and you are going to snap lock it right here. So now you're going to take the part labeled G, which is the shoulder. So both of the arms are going to go right here, but we're not going to do that yet. So right now I am going to put on the clothes over him. So what you just do is you just slide the clothes over. You are going to grab the sensor, and you are going to connect that to the wire coming from the bottom of the control box. So now you're going to take one of your hands, you're going to run it up the sleeve, then plug it in. And so you're going to take the two Velcros and you are going to Velcro them together so it stays like that. Alright, just like that. So now what you're going to do is you're going to connect the head, and so it's just going to connect by this piece. And so now you can grab the hood, you can position the steel in the back, well, the metal in the back, and Velcro the top of his head and Velcro both of the sides of the mask. So now you're going to turn him around. Wires coming from here. There's going to be a wire coming from the arm and a wire coming from the head. The wires, and you are just going to connect them to whichever one. They're all the same. And you, like I do, I'm just going to drop it in. And so I'm going to plug it in to the port that says adapter. So now you could turn them around and you can fix them up to however you like. Pose his arms, pose his hat, you can pose whatever you want, and then you guys can plug him in. Overall, I think that he's really cool. The only thing I do not like with him is that Christmas tree base. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Last year I had him and he fell over about a couple times, mainly because of how where I was, it was very windy. We were having a windstorm, and so, you know, wind is going to push your props over. The good thing is that he, lights up really bright. His audio is nice, and you could turn him on and he'll just continue lighting up and continue doing what he's doing right now. Is he worth $129.99? I would say maybe with a 20% off discount, because I used a 30% off discount and I forgot how much I got him for, but I know I got him for cheap, for at least like $90. But he is really cool, a cool budget, officially licensed animatronic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.